Alright, what's up, guys? It is Connor. We're back at it again for another small cap recap. Today's going to be a Green Day recap, just a small one though. This was yesterday's runner. I traded INDP. Yesterday it had some crazy volatility and went all the way up to $28. So I was looking for another second part of the move, which I was actually able to capture. It wasn't anything crazy, but I actually started the day looking at any, and I believe it was Lake or something like that, but neither of those ended up going anywhere, so I shifted my focus to INDP once I saw that this level was interesting to me, because this is where it kind of consolidated before it broke out yesterday, and it was back at that level. And I also saw that there was some more volume. It was pretty consistent volume throughout the morning, and so I saw that it started perking back up to VWAP, so I was looking for a break of VWAP trade, which I did. I got filled with 65 shares, just a small position at 1367, and I was looking, my target price was either like to let a small chunk break through 15 or nothing at all, or just like to sell at 15, but as you can see, it followed this trend line that I drew pretty well. I drew it after, I believe it was either this or when it bounced off right here, and you can also see like the big perk ups and then the failures. I was kind of scared me when this kept happening, but it just kept holding my trend line that I drew, so I would stay with it until it didn't. So yeah, I sold. I had a great sell. I sold only 30 shares though. I probably should have sold either 50% or higher. That's what someone told me, and I agree with them because it just locks in some of your profits. But that is something I will work on more. But I'm glad I did right here, because if I held all of it, then I would have sold where I sold, unfortunately, right here. So I was hoping for the as you can see, it pretty much tested 15, failed, broke down, almost got scared out right here for the rest of my position, but it actually ended up holding the trend line a little longer and then started consolidating. You can see all these wicks right here consolidating right under 14.50, and it actually did not end up holding, so I got scared right here off of this big down candle wick. I actually sold when it started to pop back up, not on the down. I didn't think it was going to pop all the way back up, but it did, so I wish I would have sold right here when it did, or even right here, but I mean, I'm just glad I got out before this big tank, and I'm glad I secured some of my position. That was some really good advice, and I will be doing that a lot more, because it just takes a lot of the stress out of the game. And yeah, but overall, pretty good trade. I actually was a little hesitant in taking this because it was a higher price, and yeah, I just didn't want to be faked out on a small second day move when this had such a big move yesterday, but it had so many eyes on it today, and the volatility was still there when it was breaking the key levels, that I just wanted to take advantage of it. So yep, a small Green Day, and I'll be back for tomorrow.